Oh my God, I can't believe I'm making this video. It's just like, I can't even put it into words. Like, words are lost on me. Oh my gosh, I can't even do a proper intro, except for maybe this one. Hi everyone, Jaymes Mansfield here bringing you yet another video. Oh my God, you guys, I cannot believe I'm making this video. When I say I can't believe I'm making this video, I mean this video is happening and I cannot believe it. You guys, this has been so long in the making, you just have no idea. Now, I've been working on a special secret project for years. Almost 2 years this has been in the making. Ernie, it's 2 years, right?
For what?
For the thing I was working on. It's 2 years, right?
It was 1.
Well, how long did it take Trixie to start her product?
I don't know. Alyssa had it was 2 for her.
It was 2 for Alyssa? Okay. It's taken me 25 years to make this product. That's right. It's been so long in the making and it's finally coming to the light. To fruition, you could say. This is it right here. Now, it doesn't actually come in this big of a box. I just kind of put it in there for dramatic effect. But yeah, this is my product. And if it sounds like something's broken inside, it's because something probably is. I'm not sure what was in this box before I put it in there. All right, let me just open it up and show you guys. But before I do, you guys, I have to say, I can't believe I'm making this video. It's just, if I could cry, I would. In fact, I think I may just cry right now. Okay, maybe not. But anyways, I am just so excited to show you guys what's inside of my box. Oh my God, you're gonna see the inside of my box for the first time on this channel. But before I do, I have to say, it means so much to me that you guys are here to share this moment with me. And I know that you guys have wanted this from me for such a long time. This is my very first collaboration with a brand. That's right. I, Jaymes Mansfield, YouTube extraordinaire, influential influencer, has made a collaboration with Black Phoenix Alchemy Lab. That's right, a very prestigious scent company. By scent company, I mean they make perfumes and things that make you smell less bad. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show you guys my product. Let me just reach in before I do though. I have to say, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you made it this far in the video, just type down below, open the damn box already. All right, here we go. Oh, another thing. You guys, I had just gotten back from the finale and it was fantastic. And they just aired it just a few days ago on VH1. So let me know how I looked, you know? It always makes me so happy to hear nice compliments from you guys. All right, here we go. Oh, and one more thing. I forgot what I was gonna say. Anyways, here we go. This is the product. Oh my God, look, it's my Jaymes Mansfield wig spray. It's been so long in the making, I can't believe we finally got it. Is this box in the frame, Ernie?
Yeah.
Okay, we need to get rid of the box first. Okay. I can't believe I have my own first collaboration, you guys. Oh my God, we did it. Well, actually, I did it. And let me just give you the backstory on how I came to be the owner and creator of the Jaymes Mansfield wig spray. Well, Black Phoenix Alchemy Lab contacted me when I was 4 years old and said, Jaymes Mansfield, you smell so wonderful. We want to share what you smell like with the world. And I said, you know, get it the hell away from me. I'm 4 years old. What are you, crazy? But they approached me again a few years later after stalking me for years, smelling me behind my back and just taking in my aromas. And until I finally, you know, got rid of that cease and desist, I decided, you know, throw these people a bone and collaborate with them because I owe it to you guys to give you a little part of me. And now you can have one with the Jaymes Mansfield wig spray. It is the first wig spray of its kind that Black Phoenix Alchemy Lab is releasing to the public. And it smells just like cream soda. Now, they had wig sprays before, but they're only available exclusively at conventions like RuPaul's Drag Con. This one is available for everyone to buy because Jaymes Mansfield is open to the public day or night. Well, mostly night. Now, picture it. Have you ever just gotten done from your gig and you got home and took your wig off and realized it smells like onion rings? I know I have. That's why we created the Jaymes Mansfield wig spray. Just one little spray, it'll restore luster to your wig and get rid of that nasty smell of onions. And one spray is truly all it needs. A little bit goes a long way with this baby. She'll have you stinking pretty in no time. It smells like a Midwest morning after. A cream soda, extra cream if you have a morning like mine. Now picture it. I'm leaving a venue and my head is just a sweaty, sweaty mess. And I see that hot bartender walking out at the same time as me. And I realize my wig smells just like old French fries and nacho cheese. How am I supposed to impress him? I'm so embarrassed. I had to suck it up and walk past and watch him recoil in the scent of me. This is really, really hard to share. It was then I realized maybe Black Phoenix Alchemy Lab is right. I should collaborate with them because I normally smell so good and I was just having an off night and I want to make sure I and nobody else ever has an off night again. My God, I never want to have to be that person again. I can't believe I just said that on camera. This is a life-changing magical wig spray, and you need it in your life. I know I need it in mine. Now, this is not just a wig spray. It's an atmosphere spray. Say someone just crop dusted you at work, and you want to get rid of that nasty smell. Just one little spray, and poof. Problem is solved. And you can make your hair look good with it too. I love things that are multi-purposed. Oh my God, it smells just like cream. My place is now fresh with a scent of me. There's got to be a Midwest morning after where I can afford these song rights. It works for both synthetic and human hair wigs, and it only needs one spray to restore luster and make it smell nice too, which is the most important thing if you ask me. But if your wigs are really stankin', use as many sprays as you want, but I recommend just the one or two. And this is the Jaymes Mansfield Midwest Morning After Magical Wig Spray. Oh my God, kittens, I can't believe it. My very first collaboration. Me, Jaymes Mansfield, collaboration influencer of the world. It's by the Black Phoenix Alchemy Lab, a very prestigious alchemy lab. They work with only the most influential of people, like Neil Gaiman and the people that made The Labyrinth. Oh, and they also do charity work, like working with the nobodies. This is the Jaymes Mansfield Midwest Morning After. A magical wig spray that'll change your life. I know it changed mine. Thank you so much for sharing this intimate moment with me. Thank you so much for just being in my life and being in my bedroom. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.
Where can they go?
Oh, right. This magical wig spray is available at blackphoenixalchemylab.com. And until next time, bye. Click here and get unready with me and have a Q&A. Or see me try out the NYX Aquaria palette. Come on, click it. You know you want to. If you don't click it, I'll tell Taco Bell to take you off their PR list. So click it.